Thank you for joining samaditech, your trusted source for the latest innovations in automotive technology. Sit back, relax, and let us walk you through the newest gadgets and accessories for your ride. This set of 3 red magnetizers and demagnetizers is perfect for a variety of steel tools like screwdrivers, bolts, nuts, drills, wrenches, and pliers. The devices are simple to use. Pass your tool through the center hole to magnetize it and through the side slots to demagnetize. Lightweight and compact, they are easy to carry in tool bags and store in your workspace. Since they don't require batteries, they are always ready to go, turning any tool into a magnetic collector for screws, nuts, and metal particles, while also reducing tool slippage from screw heads. A portable soldering kit delivers both convenience and professional-grade performance without the need for a power outlet. This cordless soldering station is powered by a built-in 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing extended runtime and strong heat output for precise soldering tasks. The battery is rechargeable up to 1,000 cycles, ensuring long-lasting use and cost efficiency. It heats up to the desired temperature within 15 to 45 seconds, greatly enhancing work speed. With a temperature range of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 968 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on heating duration, it also ensures safety by heating only when the touch sensor is activated. Dual LED lights improve visibility in low light conditions, making it perfect for intricate work. A versatile phone holder mounted on your car's steering wheel offers the ideal solution for hands-free GPS navigation and voice calls while driving. It allows for easy placement of your phone, ensuring quick access without taking your focus off the road. With its adjustable width, this holder securely fits phones of various sizes, making it compatible with different models. This provides convenience and safety, ensuring your device stays in place throughout your drive. UV engine oil dye is a versatile solution for detecting leaks in engine oil and other automotive fluids. Designed for use in air conditioning, cooling systems, and various automotive applications, the dye becomes visible under a UV flashlight, making leak detection quick and efficient. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry and apply. Ideal for both professional mechanics. Compact and convenient, it's a reliable tool for on-the-go or everyday use, ensuring simple and effective leak detection. This 438-piece tool set, housed in a long-lasting steel container with 3 sliding cubicles, equips you for an extensive range of duties. The set consists of wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, bits, hex keys, a tape degree, a knife, a hammer, and more. All device heads and wrenches are crafted from chrome vanadium metallic, ensuring both sturdiness and reliability. The chrome-plated end protects towards rust and corrosion, extending the gear lifespan and assembly international exceptional requirements. Ideal for meeting, preservation, and restore obligations, this professional-grade set is perfect for both domestic and storage use. The strong aluminum case continues the whole thing organized and easily on hand. This stoplight, featuring 15 bright LEDs, is an ideal solution for enhancing vehicle safety. It easily fits into a standard 2-inch tow hook socket and functions as an additional brake or fog light. The light includes a bright brake light, a running light, and a strobe function for added visibility. The package comes with a secure locking pin and a foam pad to ensure a snug fit. During installation, pay attention to the connector's orientation as indicated in store images, and if needed, gently adjust the pins for proper alignment. This durable LED light greatly improves safety when you're not using a hitch. These widespread automobile window solar sunshades are made from long-lasting polyester mesh, imparting powerful safety from UV rays, glare, and overheating. The breathable mesh design permits fresh air to flow via, retaining a cool indoors even with the windows open. Installation is short and easy. The use of adjustable Velcro fasteners to stable the sunglasses to car doorways. With a bendy period variety of 23 to 40 inches, they healthy most motors, which include sedans and vehicles. Lightweight and compact, those sunglasses are clean to fold for convenient garage and transport, perfect for keeping your car cool and protected. This advanced set consists of 8 excessive-resolution 4K cameras that deliver crystal-clear pictures even when digitally zoomed. Equipped with clever detectors, the cameras can differentiate among humans, animals, motors, and shadows, significantly minimizing false alarms. The device is managed through the Reolink mobile app for seamless manipulate and tracking. It also comes with a 16-channel recorder and a 4-terabyte tough power, making sure 24/7 non-stop recording from all cameras. Ideal for homes, offices, and shops, this machine offers complete security and peace of thoughts. This wireless rear-view camera device comes with a 7-inch screen and transmits indicators through a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The Digicam offers 1080p decision with a 170-degree wide-angle view, ensuring clear visibility. It's geared up with nighttime imaginative and prescient, and an IP69 rated water-resistant housing for all climate overall performance. The device uses 4th technology signal transmission, making certain zero image latency even at hurries up to 130 km per hour. The screen can guide up to 4 cameras, providing bendy viewing options, displaying 1, 2, or 4 digital camera feeds concurrently. It additionally features a constructed-in reminiscence card for video recording and runs on an automobile's 12 to 24-volt electrical machine. A durable car roof tent is the perfect choice for camping. Made from 100% waterproof materials to keep you comfortable and protected in all weather conditions. The upgraded version includes 2 luggage poles, LED light strips, YKK zippers, a 5-centimeter thick mattress, and a 2.3-meter folding ladder. Setup is quick and effortless, thanks to gas struts. Compatible with any vehicle, the tent's high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel construction offer wind resistance and durability. It comfortably fits 2 adults and 1 child, with multiple storage pockets for essentials like tablets and other gear. The coil-over struts adjustable spring shock absorber kit includes both front and rear shock absorber struts with springs. The front springs have a stiffness of 14 kilograms per millimeter, while the rear springs are rated at 10 kilograms per millimeter. This design allows for independent adjustment of the car's suspension height without compromising shock absorber travel. After installation, car handling is improved, cornering roll is reduced, braking distance is shortened, and overall driving safety is enhanced. Adjusting the spring preload allows for a comfortable ride with balanced suspension response and excellent road feedback. The Fender roller is a highly effective professional tool designed for widening and reshaping fenders. It enables you to gradually expand wheel arches, allowing for larger diameter wheels or increased tire clearance. Whether you're creating extra arch space or repairing collision damage, this tool makes the job easy. It attaches directly to the hub flange via an adapter plate, compatible with both 4 and 5-bolt hubs, fitting most vehicles for quick installation. Constructed from durable steel, the tool features a fully adjustable lever for controlled pulling or pushing, making it adaptable for multiple applications. The 3-jaw internal bearing puller is an essential tool for automotive repair. Its 3-jaw mechanism evenly distributes pressure, preventing the bearing from slipping or getting damaged, ensuring stability and reliability during removal. Made from high-quality carbon steel with special heat treatment, this puller provides robust construction and high torque. Even with minimal wrench rotation, it delivers strong pulling force, preventing slipping and ensuring a firm grip. Suitable for all sleeve bearings with an internal diameter ranging from 0.5 to 2 inches, this tool is both durable and easy to use, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. This 16.5-foot compact aluminum telescoping ladder is highly portable and easy to transport, making it perfect for storing in your car or trailer. Its adjustable design extends from 3 to 16.5 feet, offering versatility for various tasks. Whether used as an 8.2-foot plus 8.2-foot A-frame ladder or fully extended as a 16.5-foot straight ladder for roof or attic work, it adapts to your needs. The ladder features a robust locking mechanism, ensuring stability and safety during use, making it an excellent multifunctional tool.